So let's see what the #1 winner for 2024 has to offer. I'm expecting big things. The staff were lovely, friendly, helpful. And I think they don't do PEA fritters anymore. However, the staff could see how sad we were for the fact that it was on the board but we couldn't have it because it was a little error and not an issue. And they went in the back and they hobbled together a PEA fritter. So I'm going to get my knife and fork on here. The batter is nice and light. It's a lovely golden colour. It's not got all kinds of other flavours with it, it's just the peas. You know, it's quite delicious. Definitely a nice light batter, and that's what counts really. So what we've got here, we've got halloumi dippers. And there's quite a few there. Again, the batter, nice and bubbly. Yeah, they're delicious. It's definitely the batter that makes these as well. Because, I mean, halloumi's going to be pretty much halloumi wherever you go. It's just how it's cooked. And the batter on this is superb. The batter's got more flavour than the halloumi. It's delicious. So what we've got here is their tartar sauce. It's a decent amount. And it's perfectly tarty. That's really nice. Without it being like a flavoured mayonnaise, it's got everything you need in a tartar sauce right there. And I'm going to try it on the fish in a minute. They cook in palm oil. Now this is Hunter's chicken. Now they'll serve you this with chips and cheese. But I just wanted to try the Hunter's chicken itself and see whether it's got that flavour. So there's plenty of chicken in there going on. That's delicious. Let's try it with some of these chips. Look at the size of that portion of chips. I didn't ask for a large portion of chips or anything. It's just large. And they look great. You can taste the potato. You know what I mean? When you get, sometimes you get a chips and it's just there. It's just something with a crispy outer or not even that in some cases. And there's no flavour to it. Let's dip it into this Hunter's chicken sauce. Oh, that's nice. I'll be going through some of this in a bit and then throwing the chips in, I think, because that's delicious. Them chips are really nice. And there's no shortage of them either. This is the jumbo haddock for under 10 quid. It seems like a bit of a whopper. That's a heck of a chunk. Oh, that combination of the light, crispy batter and the fresh Scottish haddock. Oh, absolutely delicious. And that tartar sauce. Let's cut into that. Look at that. And it's skin on, which is often the case, as I've mentioned many times with haddock. You don't have to eat it, you don't have to like it. But I don't mind it at all. It adds a little bit of flavour. The fats, the juices in the skin permeate the meat. Look at that. Wow. Well, I better stop there now. I mean, look at the size of that thing. It's a monster. For under a tenner. And given where it's come from as well, given how fresh that is. Everything's sustainable with the shop as well. They check everything. And double check, I believe. Right, so as usual, it's back to the computer. We'll have a look at any bad reviews, if there are any good reviews, which there's going to be loads of, no doubt, and anything in between. And then I'll give my review on Google. Lots of things go into these awards. They have people turning up incognito, like I do. You know, they don't know I'm going to see them, so I don't take a camera in. I don't ask them if I'm filming. I don't have anything on my shirt or anything like that. And that's the way they do these awards. They do it sneakily a lot of the time. And they look into the history, they look into where they source the food, the potatoes, the fish, everything. And they base their awards on that, the customer service, the cleanliness of the place, the hygiene levels. And I do the same myself. So let's have a look at some of these reviews. 2-star. Service was nice, engaging and friendly. The atmosphere was pleasant. A good-looking place. The chips were clearly not freshly made, and there was no salt on either the fish or the chips. The tartar sauce was clearly bought in, served warm, and in dirty plastic tubs. It was so inedible that I made my own, fresh and at home in 15 minutes, to have with the fish. The mushy peas were also clearly not fresh, bought in, nuked in the microwave, and inedible like the tartar sauce. The fish would have been great if it was salted. The batter was nice and crispy. I came here because they were award-winning, but unfortunately I can't see why. I've been to a lot of chip shops, and this is not going to be one I'll be returning to. Got it. Response from the owner. Hi Abdul Rahim. Like yourself, we are disappointed that your visit did not meet the high standards we consistently aim for. Everything is cooked fresh to order, including the chips, which are basket fried to order. We do apologise that the tartar sauce went warm due to the heat of your meal, and agree it does not look appetising as a result. If you had contacted us, we would have loved the opportunity to put these mistakes right. If you would like to give us this opportunity and discuss this further, please don't hesitate to contact us directly. Regards via the ship deck. 3-star. We gave this place a second chance, but turned out to be the same service. After being told they'd be with me now, which is good customer service, they then asked the lady who came in after for her order. Very disappointing, won't use again. Response from the owner. Hi Catherine, can you please contact us via our social, website or phone, as we'd like to discuss this further with you. We would like to know what went wrong. As you was next in the queue and stood by our till station, we don't understand how another customer could have been served before you. Therefore, we would like to discuss this to see what went wrong. We would appreciate if you contact us via the above methods. Thank you. 5-star. Best chippy around here. Everything is always fresh. Had halloumi sticks today, and I was shocked how big they were. They are insane. Defo recommend this ship deck. Mine. 5-star. As I travel the UK reviewing fish and chip shops, it was essential for me to visit the first place award-winning ship deck, and I wasn't disappointed. I ordered the jumbo Scottish haddock, which was a whopper and delicious, with a light crispy batter enveloping a moist and tender fish. The halloumi fritters were also delicious, featuring large sticks of halloumi encased in a tasty light batter. The chips, as expected, were made to order, like the haddock, and were worth the brief wait. The staff were friendly and helpful, the shop was clean and well designed, and there was a seating area outside. This is a highly rated traditional fish and chip shop, and I recommend visiting, even if it means a bit of a journey. Cooked in palm oil, hygiene rating 5, fish reviewed, the jumbo haddock, payment cash or card. So as you can see, I really enjoyed that. And if you're anywhere around there in Caerphilly or outside of it and you fancy a little drive, visit some of the tourist attractions, like I say, the biggest castle in Wales, the second biggest in the UK, pay it a visit, because I don't think you'll be disappointed. And that's it. See you on the next one. This is a brand new channel for 2024. So if you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell. And if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.